It's about shaping your mindset and fusing your spirit with unbreakable resolve. Embrace the challenge, own the pain, and know that each drop of sweat, each ounce of effort, is a testament to your unshakable commitment to the path of victory. As you squat, lift, and push your limits, remember that the journey isn't just about the physical transformation. In this arena, where sweat blends with determination, let the wisdom of these luminaries guide your journey. Channel their unyielding spirit, their unwavering dedication. With every grueling rep, you're not only sculpting your physique, but forging your willpower. Hear Conor McGregor's fiery mantra, "I'm not talented, I'm obsessed." It's the obsession, the unwavering commitment, that sets you apart. Failure, my fellow warriors, is nothing but a pause to recalibrate, to roar back even stronger. Imagine Rocky Balboa, the embodiment of resilience, overcoming insurmountable odds. Sylvester Stallone's words echo, "It ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving." Life's gym mirrors our journey. Recall the wisdom of Les Brown, "You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great." Every stride forward, every decision to challenge yourself, sets you on the path to extraordinary achievements. Picture Muhammad Ali's determination with every punch thrown. "I don't count the sit-ups, I only start counting when it starts hurting because they're the only ones that count." Embrace discomfort, for it signifies growth and the forging of a relentless spirit. Greatness will come. Each repetition, each drop of sweat, contributes to the masterpiece you're crafting, your life. As you pump iron, remember the sage advice of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson: success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work gains success. The weights you lift are but metaphors for the challenges you face. Embrace them, they sculpt not only your muscles, but the unyielding core of your character. Imagine this arena not just as a gym, but as a forge for the body and the mind. Let the words of great motivators like Arnold Schwarzenegger reverberate within you. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. Fellow champions of the iron and the spirit, gather round as we unleash the electrifying energy of global motivational titans to fuel our quest. We stand united, bound by the purpose to transcend our limits, to sweat, to struggle, and to rise stronger than before.